Hello guys, you use my phone Xiaomi Redmi 5A. Start unpacking. Open box. And look, completation. In completation we have instructions, micro USB cable, adapter for charging and key for SIM slot. Okay. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side we have camera and LED. On the front side 5-inch display, 3 sensor key, talk speaker, front camera and sensors. On the left side 2 slot for SIM card and nano SIM card. 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card we can use. On the right side we have power key and volume keys. Upside headphones jack. Downside micro USB port and microphone. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, version Android 7.1.2, version MIUI 9.2. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 425, this is quad-core processor. CPU speed 1.4 GHz, GPU Adreno 308, resolution HD, display resolution HD, IPS display. RAM memory 2 GB, internal memory 16 GB and micro SD card slot. Look results, CPU test, single core score and multi-core score, and look, GPU test. Open into the benchmark and look into the score. Under the score. Device support 10 touches, very good. Close this and open demanding game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas work only low graphic level. On the medium or high graphic level game works very bad. This low graphic level, GTA San Andreas works good. Okay. Need for Speed Most Wanted and Assassin's Creed Identity works on medium graphic level, very good. Only GTA San Andreas work on low graphic level. Okay, and now camera. Camera in the device, main camera 13 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on this camera, and let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.